A little bit of a unpacking here. This smells amazing. I could smell it before I opened the package. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. And there's extras. I ordered from MeMaw's World. These are fabulous. This is Ocean Breeze soap that she's making. I'm sorry, I can't read it really well right now, but it's beautiful. And this is the Mango Tango. Can you see a theme? This Islander is thrilled. But she sent some extras, and this smells awesome. Oh my goodness. Homegirl Amber Air Spray. And it smells, wow. That's actually what I was smelling in the package. And look at this. Look at this little wash loofah, washcloth. And what is this? Hang on, guys. We only got one hand. Plantain oil. Ooh. This is something to discover and learn more about. Thank you so much, Lori. This is awesome. Okay, yeah. Hang on. Let me pause this. Look at that. This is the Ocean Breeze. Oh, it smells really fresh. It smells really good. Mango. Let's see mango. See, there's mango. Sorry, I'm blurry. Mango. I have so many smells in my nose right now. Mango smells good. Mango smells good. I just can't quite separate everything in my nose. But this is a yummy just a treat. Treat, and good for you. So check her out. I'll tag her on this video. MeMaw's World. Thank you so much, Lori. Wow, gorgeous. Look at that. Island does. You want some Ocean Breeze? Yeah, man. Lavender love to everybody.